Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Steel Hunter. This exciting Battle Royale mode pits 20 players against each other, either solo or in platoons of 3. Your main goal is to be the last tank standing on a dynamic battlefield. You will need to gather valuable loot, strategically upgrade your vehicle throughout the match, and skillfully eliminate all your opponents to claim victory. It is a fast-paced and intense experience. As you begin a Steel Hunter match, you will start with a basic vehicle. Your first task is to gather resources from the map, primarily by finding loot boxes. These boxes are essential as they provide experience points, crucial consumables, and powerful equipment. You will use this experience to unlock and upgrade your tank's modules, such as its gun, engine, and tracks. Each upgrade dramatically improves your vehicle's capabilities, making you more formidable. Combat in Steel Hunter requires careful thought and quick reflexes. Always engage enemies strategically, playing to your tank's unique strengths and weaknesses. The varied terrain offers excellent opportunities for cover and setting up ambushes against unsuspecting foes. Remember to constantly monitor the shrinking safe zone on your map. Staying outside it will cause continuous damage. Crucial consumables, like repair kits and first aid kits, are vital for maintaining your tank's integrity and staying in the fight. To achieve victory in Steel Hunter, your ultimate goal is to eliminate every other player and emerge as the sole survivor. As the match progresses, the safe zone will shrink dramatically, forcing all remaining players into a climactic, decisive battle. You must adapt your playstyle on the fly, considering your upgraded vehicle and the strengths of your remaining opponents. Securing a win not only provides immense satisfaction, but also grants special rewards and contributes to your overall event progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.